Earlier in the program, we talked with CommonGround volunteer Amy Johnson about the benefits of getting kids involved with farm chores, and you can see that story on our Facebook page a little later this morning.
Right now, she has a recipe for us, and it involves fresh peppers from the garden. Here's more on how to make buffalo chicken stuffed peppers.
Well, we are all getting excited about summer and gardening and the things you can get from the garden. And joining me now with more on this is Amy Johnson. Amy, you have a recipe for us.
I have one in preparation for summer produce time, and it's called buffalo stuffed chicken peppers. And it's a simple ingredient. I love it because it's stuff that we're already going to have in the pantry. So what we need is 3 bell peppers sliced lengthways and cleaned out. I've already got mine all cleaned and prepped and put in a greased baking dish. I need 4 cups of pre-cooked chicken. It'd be enough for like a rotisserie chicken or 3 or 4 large chicken breasts. I've got that cut, seasoned, and it's already prepped. We need a cup of mayonnaise, half cup of hot sauce or buffalo wing sauce, whatever's your flavor and favor. A teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, salt and pepper to taste, and then some green onions chopped up. I have my chicken already shredded and cooked. I'm just going to dump that into my mixing bowl here. And then I'm going to put in my 1 cup of mayonnaise. I'm going to put in a cup of my favorite buffalo wing sauce. I like things spicy. And the best part is when we get done here, we're just going to add all that in there. My salt and pepper, my garlic powder, my onion powder, and I'm going to put in some of these green onions, but I'm going to save some for the top for a garnish, okay? Simply mix all of this up. And what the recipe calls for is when you get this all mixed up and combined, then taste test it for your own liking. Put in a little more hot sauce, a little more salt and pepper, a little more garlic, whatever your family likes, mix that up. Okay, all we have to do at this point then, John, is just take the chicken mixture, grab a pepper, and I'm just gonna mix this and I'm gonna pack this in here and pack it really good. That's all we have to do. Finish with the rest of them. You're gonna put it in an oven for 30 minutes covered at 400 degrees. And then when you take it out, take the foil off, bake it for another 20 minutes until everything is brown, and then enjoy.
Oh boy, that looks great. That's going to be awesome for summer.
Thank you, John. Thanks for having me.